Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to make number field unique in Salesforce, and we are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So let's move to our org. This is my Salesforce Lightning org, and here we are learn how to make number field unique in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly click on the gear icon, and under this gear icon, we can see there is an option present setup. So click on this option. Our setup page is open, and under this setup page we can see two tabs are present on the navbar. First one is home tab and the another one is object manager tab. So we click on the object manager tab and our object manager page is open. Under this object manager page, loads of objects are present, and here we want to select the product object. So we enter the product in the quick find box, and here we go. We can see our product object is comes at the top, and we click on this product object. Our product page is open, and under this product page on the right side we can see the detail related to this product, and on the left side we can see there is a detail section, and under this section there is a field and relationship option present. Click on this fields and relationship option. Our fields and relationship page is open. Under this fields and relationship page, we can see already created fields are present. And when we scroll to the bottom, here we can see there is a product code with the number data types are present, and we make this field unique. So we click on this field. Our product code page is open, and here we want to edit this field to make unique. So we click on the edit button. Our product code comes into the edit mode, and here we want to edit anything. So we scroll to the bottom, and here we can see there is a general option section present, and under this section we can see lots of checkbox are present, and here we want to make this field unique. So we click on the unique checkbox which do not allow any duplicate value inside this field. If we enter any duplicate value, so it pop up error. After making this field unique, we click on the Save button. We come back to our product code page, and when we scroll to the bottom, here under the general option section, we can see our unique checkboxes checked. So let us check our field become unique or not. So we click on the app launcher and enter the sales in the search box and click on the sales option, and our sales page is open, and under this sales page we search the product object, and here is our product object. Click on this product object, and we want to create the new record, so we click on the new button, and our new product dialog box is open, and here we enter the product name. After entering the product name, enter the time, and then scroll to the bottom, enter the product price, and then giving the product code. Here we are giving the product code as this, then click on the save button. We can see that there is a no duplicate value inside the product code, that's why our record is saved. If we enter any duplicate value, so this show error. Enter the unique value inside the product code field. So let's move ahead and discuss about how to make number field unique in Salesforce Classic. So for this, we firstly move to our classic version. So click on the profile picture, and under this profile picture, we can see there is an option present, switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this option, and here we go. We can see our Salesforce Classic version is open, and under this page we can see there is a username present, and we click on the drop down arrow of the username, and under the drop down list we can see there is a setup option present. Click on this setup option. Our setup page is open. Now enter the object in the quick find box, and then click on the drop down arrow of the customize, and here we select the objects. Our custom objects page is open. Under this page, we can see lots of custom objects are created. And here we want to select the employee custom object. So we click on the employee. Our custom object employee page is open. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and here we can see there is a custom fields and relationship section present, and under this custom fields and relationship section we can see lots of fields are already created, and here we want to select the number field and make this number field unique. And here we see there is an employee ID field which is the number data type field, and we make this employee ID unique. So we click on this employee ID field and our employee custom field employee ID page is open. And here we want to edit this field because we make this field unique. So we click on the edit button. And our employee ID comes into the edit mode, and here we can edit anything which we want. And here we want to edit this field and make this field unique. So we scroll to the bottom. Here we go. We can see there is a general option section present, and under this section, lots of checkbox are present: required checkbox, unique checkbox, and the external ID checkbox, AI prediction checkbox, default value field. And here we want to make this field unique, so that's why we click on the unique checkbox, which do not allow any duplicate value inside this field employee ID. So after making this employee ID field unique, we click on the save button and we come back to our employee ID field page and we scroll to the bottom. Here we go, we can see our general option section. There is a unique checkbox present and this unique checkbox is checked. Now we want to see our this employee ID field make unique or not. So for this we click on the employee object again, and we can see we come to our employee record page, and under this page we can see already two records are created, but we want to create the new record, so we click on the new button. Here we want to enter the USA employee name, so here we enter this name and then enter the employee ID. So remember that you enter unique value in this employee ID, so enter the unique value and then enter the PIN and then identification number and then click on the save button. This field is required, so enter the employee note also. And here we go, we enter the employee note and then hit the save button. And here we go, our employee ID is unique, that's why it's saved. And under this employee ID, we can see the unique number is present. So with this, we have learned how to make number field unique in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.